Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone 17. So let's get started. So in order to do this, all you're going to do is pull down from the top menu here and first see if your phone is on Do Not Disturb. If it is, you're going to see this toggle right here that says Do Not Disturb. You might also see a moon icon up top here if you look closely. That's indicating the phone is currently on Do Not Disturb. In order to turn it off, again, pull down that control menu, tap on that. It says, as you can see, Do Not Disturb is on. I'm going to tap on it again to turn it off, and that's going to go ahead and turn off Do Not Disturb. Now there's also another way to do this. So other thing you want to do is go into your setting, and then you're going to go to focus, and up top you'll see option says Do Not Disturb. And basically if you turn this on, Do Not Disturb, you also are going to see Do Not Disturb turned on. So if you want, you can go ahead and turn this off. And if you accidentally set a schedule, you want to go ahead and delete that schedule. So if you happen to have it, you might not, but that's another thing. So with this on, and as long as you don't see basically that moon icon any longer, your phone now has turned off the Do Not Disturb. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.